na ebitimi ema nipa etumpon ebitimi ema nipa dwemu bie ebitimi ema nipa ani ba yen ho so na bribia enkura hyesema de beba no papa na etwaje se woni pa wutie wi a wotena ase na wo ponda wo dwendwene ho na wohunu abiaye pa ebetimi de wako enu ntia no pe a watena ase de meja ya ma na no pe nso
anapai
wo hyira yen
menu aba yen sembisa na mebisa
mo
anapai me da ho na mete se yese emrantie be esia ya woni mfie so no be mfie du nwotwe ena mfie du nkunu woni enum adu bone eye ntampe na oguso no no ana papa pani bi ko ka kire o se da mo ye enye
munyai
na wona ache papa abuno akuno headmaster mo na mibisa me ho se
ebia ye kunu
ehni yakodui
ya sembisa
kane ka 18-year-old boy wo ya de na headmaster ba abedwane ene 18-year-old boy wo ya de ene ne me be ya school for me ensa nam kwan so me bohon che say o pa fa ba pemi
omo fiu omo che so omo ntwomani ponhwo
ehni yakoi
ehu
enu nti ye pesika enya economic mo fenesen economic stability na yenya social decadence
and the social decadence na money away
yepe economic and sports normalization nenya adolescent abnormality se baby ayedu no mpani ani abre pesika amoman empani ani abre eye nneoma yebetimi ato aba ma wom dan kwamba empani eye nhyehyeye se empo be beka so waya adio na wo yama hwan wo mana yetimu no efi nkwada ya wo mtotofin ne kosi nkwada sabe wona di be 18 years no woni gina so onye employment you can't employ them but woni suban woni suahunu ena woni nkranhye wo ye bufuo wo ye enkwada woni nsode woni values. And yet our people are focused on giving us economic emancipation without social justice and responsibility. And your problem was very soon. I'm not saying this as a fact, but why somebody will walk to your house and hurt you free. Because if 6 children can beat police ni wana pono. You see, there is madness in the society.
Yes.
And the company nyakakra. So we pay votes. No pay normalization of the individual than sports normalization. Everywhere but when it be no violence, indiscipline. Obi kaso here the Accra greater city and neatest city. Nam say about that down. How can you make Accra neat when the people themselves have no philosophy of neatness?
Yes,
and
no problem.
Yeah, and Mama can say I'm saying this not because my research. And me say me football by a team be a friend in Liverpool, what team Barcelona. Now they Ghana form and tell you, and I'm saying why? What's the reason? Brony, psychology. Barcelona bet match Liverpool. I'm not joking, but Liverpool share Barcelona and my game hype. That's like. ABF and this beat MPP, na hype. And MPP and this na hype, that hype.
And a musician say can something happening.
That hype no. I'm for dear chile.
Psychological
warfare. Barcelona could not have stayed for fun against them. But you know what? Betting industry is not yaka. To turn the African youth into gamblers.
Hey! Chineke God.
And nobody is sitting back to watch this psychology. They are turning the African youth into gamblers. Into one say, "Oh my, I'm sports now. You look so enticing, and we break here then down." Into now, sports is no more entertainment. And for you to gamble, the African youth no uncompared human yet. Their thinking faculties are becoming so warped to the extent say, "Football, mama misika, let me go and watch it," and nobody is sitting up. Men can anytime say football in yet, but the purpose of football is for entertainment and for fitness. And when you say, "Do baby na brofono dada yen sanwa," I say, "A man for your sorry." And then man fact aba. I came to ask one question: if you get all the economic emancipation and lose the social stability,
What will you gain? And where would your citizens
so when you sika mo man now yes nyoma na man ho to no a na emrante wa pro eset te pantamo a dia na benya
but the to Bible asem ho se se ubenya japade nyina ewo wiase na wahwere won kwa a japade benya.
If 6 children can wake up and beat a head, I mean, I'm so sad.
Yes, sad.
Yeah, now go to prison.
Very sad and frightening.
And it's dangerous.
Dangerous as well.
For compare, my some for police for. For compare,
say about son your money, bank a crank a crack, and
nobody's talking. Nobody's bringing the youth and say, let's reason. Let's reason. Let's change your music forms. Your music forms have become gangster music. Movies, some of these free things, no, mama control that our youth become responsible. No, we are economy is good. Economy is good. Social decadence is minus.
Yes, some more.
Other four.
And our power be a ni.
Ebia na what they would tell me when you answer to say that maintenance here. Miss Rawo. Ya me wi ase amayemwa ye ba wi ase say nipa wonni a woye papa ebia na woye odiebu mu ana bebia ofri nye ana obi ayo bone bi bisa ho say dem kokko ye
yes
yeah 97% na bodamo a be part of the 3%.
Yes,
97% na emu ade a be part of the 3%. 97% for the shentade na omo why omo part say edua shatare sakrachi 97% no aye one year
make a difference, a positive
just
one
make
indeed.
A difference once.
Yes,
it is not for me. Let me tell the leaders.
And the more baby papa, the more frightening aspect of it, they say a Ryan sorry them.
Baby,
a Honan can to say a Hodian Kawakwa and to tell you them one more add down so I'm appealing to the president.
Me panacho. Ne modern boy nyina see benya 1D1F. One man institution being sorry to orientate our social fabric.
Yes.
It could be the Ministry of Culture or whatever, youth and sports, but something must be done to keep this emerging youth violence dependence on drugs. And yes, sir, or your economy we are. Somebody will destroy it.
Oh, yes, way.
Please, Mr. President.
I think Wakasana is in the right direction.
No.
Because
economy, inflation. But what's your social inflation?
There be.
Deficit in economy, GDP. So have you looked at the human GDP?
The human GDP, then they say
goodness, discipline, and productivity. GDP. Yenibi. Goodness and our godliness. G. D. A discipline. And P. A productivity. Yeni human GDP. Economic GDP. Miss Ramon Peninfo. When you be among friends, me pepe me ni kapre. Let's go rounds and begin to sensitize our children. Yes, sir, Dan Kwamba, Enchebia.
Ebehuni yempe.
Enchebia, Senkwada is yet me good headmaster Kunwa. Na ebit
wa wote ho no so ebit me ba wo so me amete ebit me ba me so.
I'm not being alarmist, but it's real.
It's real. Well, yes, akoni nyina ma wo hu. Esa say ya sorry. And dey bia me bisa akwara because dey bia me kasa asem say. And you may be cause o man in terms of your youth no, what behaviors in your man indiscipline.
Kofa cycles ya.
Ya shani an sorry so a.
Emu police no uniform.
And we have everything.
Any ma me mesa sembi. Akuya.
Papa.
When Yame a boy say God, God.
Of course.
Gradually, you're turning God 9
into dogs.
DOG. Yanchin Kramano. Near Mantan. Now, man penny for Muntayan. Now, mon pay 1D1F. Economic GDP, inflation down. Now, for mon pay social decadence so down. Mama yam from Q near one ranting, now baby econo. But we be see me by your car, Timu, I may draft. Oh, when I'm going to
I want to
proud.
I am from
if I dare,
Papa, born on a shady.
3 boys, school 4. So I had to be disciplined, allow them to go. And I may try on channel. It's like,
why like it?
Please. Nancy Moto and we are sitting down looking for economic emancipation.
No, how are you?
Anyway.